All right, so I'm gonna replace the cabin air filter in this. This is a 2016 Nissan Versa Note. Apparently it is under here. And as you can see, it's very much hidden behind the glove box. There's a little catch underneath that you have to pull off, and then this piece comes out. And the filter is just kind of stuck in there, so you kind of got to fish it out. So let's see if I can do that. Yeah, they don't really make it easy to do this, but it's sort of coming out. Okay, and it is a tight squeeze, so just know that you're gonna have some fun putting this back in. Anyway, oh, there's a leaf in there. Couple extra things. There you have it. So there's the old one. So as you saw, you have to squeeze it to get it in there and to get it out. But yeah, hopefully that helps. And yeah, when you put it back, you just put this back up there and it snaps underneath. That's a little snap part right there. So hopefully this helps somebody out. Thanks for watching.